Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's Vault, and the wait is over. Today I get my hands on the Volkswagen Virtus GT. The word Virtus means valor and manliness and courage, and guess what? They have packed everything for a Volkswagen fanboy like me. You guys kept requesting me, Dino bhai, when are you going to review the Virtus? And well, finally the wait is over. Strap on the seat belt, and boy, the sedans are back with a vengeance. Turn on the engine. What a feeling. Low slung sedan, a proper VW replacement, a worthy replacement to the Vento. This one comes with two engine options, the 1 liter turbo petrol 3-cylinder, as well as this one, the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo petrol that puts out 150 PS of max power and 250 Newton meters of max torque. Now, I had a jolly good time when I reviewed the Slavia. Now, this is built based on the MQB A0 IN platform. So let me turn on the ventilated seats. Is it for this one or the other one? Okay, so all set. We are in the drive mode for now. Dual clutch transmission, my personal favorite, DCT. So DSG gearbox, this one, and the 1 liter turbo petrol gets the torque converter gearbox. This one is the 7-speed DSG direct shift gearbox. The steering has kind of a sporty feel to it, flat bottom steering wheel, touchscreen infotainment system. In the drive mode, floor the pedal. Oh, look at it go. It's like a sports car. Justifies the GT branding completely. Going blasting across the straight right here. Already doing 150 kilometers per hour. Let's contain our happiness. Let's contain the joy. Man, this thing is a firecracker. You can adjust the steering wheel as per the height. Is it tilt and telescopic? Okay, good enough. Let's get going now. So when you are easing on the pedal, that's what I loved about the transmission on the Slavia as well. When you're easy going on the throttle, the shifts happen to optimize fuel efficiency. As you can see, the economy is showing us 8 point. Okay, it's going up because we're going easy on the throttle. It's up to 11.2 kmpl, or now it's 12.2, 13 kmpl when I'm going really easy, and it keeps climbing. Now it shows 17. Goodness gracious. So if I'm really going easy on the throttle, we are already in the 5th gear in the drive mode. We are not in the sport mode, and it was showing close to 27, 34. Goodness gracious. And it switches between the 2-cylinder mode and the 4-cylinder mode to optimize fuel economy. That is kind of really intelligent stuff and great engineering. And I love the digital console on the MID. The speedo console has the speedometer as well as the tachometer. Where is the tachometer? Okay, let me just see if we can switch the view. Oh, there it is. Okay, so better to put it in this mode where you have the tacho as well as the speedo. Now I want to put it in sport mode and enjoy the rush it has on offer. Gotta do it responsible way. Let us check there's no one tailing us. Let's quickly turn around. Also have a look at the rear view camera, how easy it is to turn in kind of crampy scenarios. Yeah, the view is a bit hindered because it's way too small. It had to be larger. Let me just show it to you again. Okay, the concern I have about the rear view camera You see, though the display is nice and large, the display for the camera is puny. It's way too small. So I wish it was the full screen view, such that we had a greater view of what's happening right behind you. Also, do we have dynamic adaptive guidelines? No. So that is kind of a downer. I wish the camera clarity was better. The resolution is decent enough. It could have been better because it is a premium segment car. You pay more than 20 lakhs, so you want everything to be spot on. So now let us put it in sport mode and let's floor the pedal now. Feels like a GT race car. Goodness gracious, I'm holding on, and the seats are super comfy. The car literally sticks to the ground. What a feeling, man. What a rush. This thing is absolutely blasting across. Holy shit, this thing is fast. Oh my god. Okay, doing 180 already. We hit 200. Goodness gracious, effortlessly. And the brakes are pretty good. Brakes are really good. We get 16-inch wheels, I believe. 16, yeah, I hope we get 16-inch wheels. But the road grip and the kind of acceleration this thing has on offer is insane. Absolutely insane. It literally blasts across the streets when you floor the pedal, especially in the sport mode. It goes berserk. It goes absolutely mad. And also the aircon vents cool the cabin really effectively. And overall fit and finish, yes, that is typically Volkswagen. It has rock solid build quality. Here you have the fan, AC fan controls. It's like touch and slide, so that is pretty intuitive. And cruise control is here right on the steering wheel. You can turn it on whenever you want it. Say for instance we're doing around yeah, now let's set it to 53 and my foot is off the accelerator pedal and we are cruising effortlessly at 53 kilometers per hour. And what I really love is it has everything for everyone. It is like an all-rounder. You have a dad who is kind of a CEO or an executive officer in a company. He can simply amble around and optimize fuel economy while he's on his way to the office. At the same time, if you have a kid in the family who's a teenager who wants to feel the rush of a sports car, he can absolutely floor the pedal. Not that I'm encouraging someone to speed on streets like these, but if you take it to track days, we are having track days here in Hyderabad where you can push your cars and test the performance limits of your cars in a controlled environment. So there you can have fun in a controlled environment on a track. You push it to the limits, you get a feeling of driving a proper GT car, and that is saying something at this price. So much of versatility and functionality and usability packed into one package. So that is what makes this a stellar proposition, something there for everyone, and such a roomy cabin a family can enjoy on a getaway, weekend getaway. You have ample amount of boot space on offer as well. So everything just comes together in perfect harmony, and that's what makes this a winning proposition, more than a worthy sequel to the likes of the Vento. And boy, the sedans are back with a bang. I mean, at the end of the day, highway cruising best enjoyed in a sedan. There's no denying about that. Like I love sedans for what they are. Low slung seating posture, you feel they are like lowered center of gravity, you feel the tarmac, and you feel the car holding the line through the corners, and that's what makes it such a joy. If you can see, literally the car is jumping around, oh my god, and it is still, the body roll is very controlled right through the corner. What a rush, man, what a feeling. Hats off to Volkswagen India for giving us a no compromise deal, a no compromise package. This is what we wanted from Volkswagen. Maybe they can launch a performance variant based on the same engine in a Polo, and that is going to set the cat among the pigeons, a proper performance hatch that is going to rule the game here in India. But as it is, the Virtus is here to make a statement, and that's the reason why you see so much of hype surrounding it. The kind of looks it has on offer, it kind of exceeds the oomph factor, the X factor, or the hotness that the looks have on offer. It exceeds it with the performance lying underneath the hood. It gives you a proper sport sedan kind of a feel, and that is what packs the punch and brings back the smile in the face of true Volkswagen enthusiasts or true sedan enthusiasts out there. So this concludes my review. I hope you enjoyed watching this unscripted, to the point review of the Volkswagen Virtus. If you like more pure automobile content, please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more action right here at Dino's Vault. And you have 1700 more videos with similar essence on my channel, and don't forget to watch them going through my playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care, God bless, and drive safe.